The starter grip is the handle that attaches to the starter rope. It is the handle you pull on each time you start the engine. After years of use, the handle can fatigue, causing it to crack or break. It can also be damaged in an accident, such as dropping the tool. Replacing the starter grip is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by tying a knot in the starter rope so I can remove the handle. Now I can remove the rope from the handle. I'll untie the knot at the end of the rope. And I'll remove the metal clip from the inside of the starter handle. Now I can install the new starter grip. I'll thread the rope through it. Then I'll thread the rope through the metal clip and tie a knot. I'll insert the clip into the grip and then pull the rope into the recess at the top of the handle. Now I can untie the knot in the center of the rope. And allow the rope to recoil back into the starter. And that's how easy it is to replace the starter grip on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.